Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try to explain what I did to get this image, which is one of my daily designs I posted a couple days ago. I'm going to try to explain every single step of the way so you don't get lost. Let's start. So first off, I obviously start with an image that I resize and place on my Photoshop document. Next, I added right away a gradient map with these colors, and I changed its blending mode. I then duplicated the gradient map and changed gradient map with the same blending mode. Changed gradient map and got this I was pretty happy with. So I grouped everything together, merged it, duplicated it, lowered the opacity of the top layer, and I think I added also some motion blur to that top layer, but didn't record that part. I then start to add my text. Find a placement for it, duplicate the layer again with the motion blur, place it upside down, make it big, and looks pretty cool, so I'm going to keep it that way. I'm then going to select my text and add a little bit of blur and some ripples as well. Not too much, like 30 works good. I then group everything together, merge it. I add some noise as per usual. I then add my textures to it. And finally add a camera raw filter. I usually play around with the color settings just to tweak them a little bit. And I finally decide that the text is too normal and boring. So I start selecting little pieces of it, duplicating it and moving it around. And that's how I made that cool N. And that's basically all I did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this quick little walkthrough. Feel free to subscribe and comment down below if there's a particular daily design that you want to know the walkthrough of. And in the description down below, you'll find the links to my gradient map packs and my texture packs. There's also some freebies in there, so definitely go check those out as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!